Hi and welcome to the VPN Club YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be covering 12 common VPN issues and how to fix them. In today's tech-driven world, occasional hiccups are almost inevitable. When these issues arise, it can be stressful. Fortunately, most tech troubles, including VPN problems, often have simple solutions. With a bit of research and patience, you can usually resolve them without much hassle. Let's dive in and explore why your VPN might not be working and find some ways to get it up and running again. Your internet connection isn't good enough. A sluggish or unresponsive VPN is often caused by a weak internet connection. Since VPNs rely on a fast and stable connection, any issues with your network, whether slow speeds or inconsistent signals, can disrupt the VPN's performance. Here are a few steps to troubleshoot. Run an online speed test to check your internet connection. Restart your router to reset the connection. If using Wi-Fi, move closer to the router for a stronger signal. Whenever possible, switch to an Ethernet cable for a more reliable connection. Your firewall or antivirus is restricting the VPN. When firewalls and antivirus programs are meant to safeguard your device from threats, they can sometimes block legitimate apps like your VPN. To see if this is causing the issue, try these steps. Temporarily turn off your firewall or antivirus and attempt to reconnect your VPN. If the VPN connects, add it to your firewall or antivirus exception list. Once adjustments are made, be sure to reactivate your firewall or antivirus for continued protection. The VPN server is having issues. Sometimes the problem may stem from the VPN server itself. Server can go down or encounter technical issues, making it difficult to connect. If you think this could be the issue, try the following. Switch to a different server with the same VPN service. Visit the VPN provider's website or status page to see if there are any reported outages or maintenance. If the issue continues, reach out to customer support for more help. Your VPN app is outdated. VPN providers frequently release updates to enhance performance, resolve bugs, and boost security. Ignoring these updates could lead to connection issues with your VPN. To make sure your VPN is up to date, follow these steps. Look for updates within the VPN app or on the provider's website. Download and install any available updates. Restart your device after updating to ensure the changes are applied. Your internet service provider restricts the network. Certain internet service providers may limit or throttle VPN traffic, which could be the cause of your connection problems. If you think this might be the issue, try the following. Opt for a VPN that offers obfuscation features to mask your VPN traffic. If feasible, consider switching to a different internet service provider. Reach out to your VPN provider for guidance on how to bypass ISP's restrictions. Your VPN protocol is having compatibility issues. VPNs use various connection protocols, such as OpenVPN, WireGuard, or IKEv2, and certain protocols may work better on specific networks. Here is what you can do. Open your VPN settings and switch to a different protocol. Restart the VPN and attempt to reconnect using the new protocol. Check with your VPN provider for the recommended protocol. VPNs use different ports for different protocols. Ensure these ports are open, as blocked port could be causing connectivity issues. If none of the previous solutions work, check whether these ports are accessible. Your DNS is having issues. When converting domain names to IP addresses, a DNS issue can occur, potentially disrupting your VPN connection. To resolve this, you can clear your DNS cache by entering this command, or manually configure your DNS to use a public DNS server, such as a Cloudflare DNS or Google DNS. Your network settings need a reset. Your device's network configuration may conflict with a VPN due to incorrect IP settings, conflicting proxy settings, or other network configurations. To resolve this, reset your network settings to their default state. On Windows, navigate to the Settings in the Network and Internet section, select Status, and then choose Network Reset. On a Mac, open System Preferences, go to the Network tab, select your network connection, click the Advanced button, and then choose Renew DHCP Lease. Make sure that no proxy settings are enabled unless required by your network. Your VPN account is having issues. If your VPN subscription has expired, or there are any account-related issues, you may experience connection problems. To verify your account status, log into your VPN provider's website to check your subscription status. Confirm that your account is active and that there are no billing issues. If needed, reach out to customer support for assistance. Your app permissions and settings need to be adjusted. For VPN to operate properly, you need to grant it specific permissions on your device. Here is how you can check and modify app permissions. On Windows, verify that the VPN app is allowed through the firewall. Open the control panel, select System and Security, and then choose Windows Defender Firewall. In the Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall tab, ensure the box for your VPN is checked. On mobile devices, confirm that the VPN app has the required permissions under the App Permissions section. Your network is congested. High internet traffic can hinder your connection and prevent the VPN from establishing a successful link. To address this issue, attempt to connect at various times throughout the day when internet traffic may be lighter. Choose servers located in areas with lower internet congestion. Your router configurations are interfering. Certain router settings, like VPN pass-through options or firewall rules, can disrupt your VPN connection. To troubleshoot this issue, review your router settings for VPN-related configurations and make sure that VPN pass-through is enabled. Refer to your VPN provider's support documentation for setup instructions specific to your router. Alright, that's all for today. I hope this video helps you troubleshoot your VPN issues. If not, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for assistance. If they can't help you, it might be time to consider switching to a more reliable VPN, such as ExpressVPN, NordVPN, CyberGhost VPN, or Surfshark VPN. If you decide to switch, make sure you use our links to take advantage of special offers. If you like this video, if you found it useful, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification button. Thanks and see you next time.